The District Medical and Health Officers Office in West Jaiñtia Hills District distributed Android tablets to ASHAs and ASHA facilitators from Lasken and That Lasken blocks to enhance their effectiveness under the National Health Mission. The event, held at the District Auditorium Library in Minthong, was attended by Joy MLA Wailat Miki Shilla as the chief guest. He highlighted the crucial role of ASHAs as dedicated volunteers in rural communities, urging them to focus on their contributions to society.
Tanga kerpa dia pi ho chin dia ni ta no chin pi dia wa pa ya pi ya ta sai da tulok le ni ta sai ka jing yo henry u chin di ka kam chibun ta ka jing kre nei ban ta yong de ban sa lang nei din ta kam mon u yadai le ni u yarabi yo yo ni ya ka te kan ni the met ka pha ko chat ko man na kerpa dia